Hey, good evening. So I've got this free light from Harbor Freight, and got quite a few of them actually. And I wanted to use this light strip to illuminate around the print head of a 3D printer. So I took it apart, and when you get all of these parts, as you can see by the batteries out of all of these units, I've repurposed a lot of these by taking them apart. A couple of basic designs. This is the most common recent version. It has these 3 lights, and it has this strip, and it has a switch, and it has a resistor, but the resistor only applies to these 3. The resistor for this strip is built into the strip itself. So all you have to do is attach plus and minus 5 volts, and this will work fine. The batteries provide 4.5 volts, applying 5 volts well within spec. I was looking at this, and I thought I could just use this. If I use 3 of these in my design, I could do 3 sides of the print head and point it down and eliminate the work being done as it's printing. Since I've figured out I only need the strip, I just cut these 2 off. It's got little tiny plus and minus on this end, so you know how to hook it up. So you just need to cut it loose. Now, if you leave these cables in, you can still use these 3 because the resistor is there for them. And this screwed up button of only turning on 1 at a time. And I have never found a project I use just 3 in. I like these light bars so much better. So what do I do with this? Well, it's actually kind of simple. Take off the light bar. And it has plus and minus, so I can just apply 5 volts to this. I'd be okay. But that's a little awkward to deal with, so I installed a power plug. So now I can take a wall wart that's 5 volts, and you test each of them before you try it, because if you put more than 5 in there, it could burn out quicker than it should. Make sure you get plus and minus correct. So if I have a wall wart that puts out 5 volts, I can do this. Now that is one bright light. Wow. So now I can pretty much put these anywhere I want, plug them in, and I'm okay. But I was also thinking, well, what if I wanted to do more than one? I could just solder another light bar to this, and it would work the same way. The problem is, I would start getting these, pretty close together. Probably not what I want. I want to stagger them some. So we got some hookup wire. I can attach these wires to the plug, and then attach this to the other end of the wires, and then I have it remote to the plug. So I'm going to give that a try. Okay, so I got 3 now. So what I can do is put this behind the print head and put this on each side, and I have a nice illumination down on the print bed. Okay, so this means I don't have to have batteries to run these. I can run them off 5 volts wall power. But if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.